How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. First of all, make sure you have a backup of your WhatsApp chats. To check this, let's navigate and open the WhatsApp on your phone. Once you are in, tap on the three dots at the top right side and then go to the settings. Here in the settings menu, tap on chats. Next, scroll down a bit and select chat backup. Here you can see that the last backup date. Checkmark the following options if you want to include them in the backup, and finally tap on backup. It will start the process, so you need to wait a few moments to complete. After that, uninstall WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, log into your account. WhatsApp will detect the backup and ask if you want to restore your chat history. Tap on restore and WhatsApp will start recovering your deleted messages. And that's it. This is how you can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.